Welcome to Maths Master Lokesh channel. I am Lokesh Biradar. Today I am discussing about the three most important question. It is depends on the derivative of a parametric equation. In this video, we go for the question number 7. Question number 7. If x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta, then prove that dy by dx equal to root of y divided by x. You have to prove that dy by dx equal to minus cube root of y divided by x. Now you have to write the first solution. Then you have to write the given. What is the given? X is equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta. You take this one as a equation number 1, equation number 2. Here, equation number 1 and equation number 2, it is in terms of parametric equation. The parameter is theta. The formula will be, we know that dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta whole divided by dx divided by d theta. Now you have to observe differentiating equation number 1 with respect to theta, we get dx divided by d theta, and y with respect to theta, that is dy by d theta, we get the dy by d theta. Equation number 2 ka differentiating with respect to theta, we get dx dy by d theta. Now you have to consider equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies that is x is equal to a cos cube theta. Differentiating equation number 1 with respect to theta, that is x derivative with respect to theta, it is dx divided by d theta. Dx divided by d theta. Here a is a constant, keeping outside, then you have to apply the d divided by d theta of cos cube theta. Now you have to apply here x to the power n derivative, and one more thing you have to apply here chain rule also. Now dx divided by d theta equal to a is a constant keeping outside, then cos cube theta, it is like a x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1 formula you have to apply here. Then you have to apply the cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Now you have to consider 3 cos square theta. It is a x to the power n formula is over. Then you have to apply the cos theta derivative with respect to theta. It is minus sin theta. Close the bracket. It can be written as dx divided by d theta is equal to my plus into minus. It is minus 3 into a 3a. It can be written as minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Cos square theta into sin theta. We get the dx divided by d theta. Now in madkobeku ivaga dy by d theta. To find dy by d theta, you have to consider the equation number 2. Equation number 2 implies that is y equal to a sin cube theta. Y equal to a sin cube theta. Then you have to differentiating equation number 2 with respect to theta. Differentiating equation number 2 with respect to theta. Y derivative with respect to theta, it is dy by d theta. Here a is a constant keeping outside, then d divided by d theta into sin cube theta. Okay. Here also you have to use the x to the power n derivative, and you have to apply the chain rule also. First you have to apply the n formula, x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1. Then you have to apply the sin theta derivatives. Apply here, you have to see dy by d theta equal to a. Here sin cube theta, you have to apply here x to the power n formula. Then it becomes 3 sin square theta. Then you have to apply this sin theta derivative with respect to theta. It is cos theta. Okay, you have to simplify this one. dy divided by dy by d theta is equal to 3 into a 3a sin square theta into cos theta. What we get it here? First I'll find it the dx divided by d theta. I'll get it here dx divided by d theta also. Then one more dy by d theta no c2. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ dy by d theta replace ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು equation you have to consider the equation number 3. That is equation number 3. It is the I'll take this one as a equation number 3. Now you have to observe dy by d theta. dy by d theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ 3a sin square theta cos theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ replace ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. Next dx divided by d theta minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta dx divided by d theta ನ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You have to observe here. Now you have to consider the equation number 3. Equation number 3 implies that is dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta. First you have to write the dy by d theta equal to 3a sin square theta into cos theta. You have to write in the numerator, and denominator you have the formula that is dx divided by d theta equal to minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. You have to apply here. You have to substitute here. Replace dy by d theta by 3a sin square theta into cos theta whole divided by minus is there. I'll take the minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Okay, observe here. One sin get cancelled. One cos get cancelled. 3a get cancelled. What will remains? dy by dx is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Here minus is there. I'll take minus. But I want to prove dy by dx equal to minus cube root of y divided by x. You have to think here. I want to prove this one. What do you mean by y? Y is the given. Y is a sin cube theta. Okay, sin theta is already there. I want to make it is a cube. Then I have to write this one. dy by dx ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? dy by dx equal to minus 3 cube root of y divided by x. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ a ಕಮ್ಮದ a ಹಾಕೊಂಡ sin ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ a cos ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ. ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ? ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ. ಎ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ sin ಥೀಟಾ cos ಥೀಟಾ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ, ಈ ಕ್ಯೂಬ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಎ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಸಿ ಈ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ sin ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ cos ಥೀಟಾನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ sin ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ cos ಥೀಟಾನೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಯಾಕ? ನಮಗೆ dy by dx equal to minus 3 that is cube root of y divided by x ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ dy by dx is equal to minus cube root of, you have to observe a sin cube theta. A sin cube theta, it is nothing but y. You have to replace, it is y whole divided by a cos cube theta, it is x. Then you have to replace x by, that is a cos cube theta divided by, you have to replace this one, a cos cube theta has a x. Then it is the required solution. In the next video we go for the important 3 marks question. It is also depends on the derivative of a parametric equation.